Hi, Hans from Trail Concepts here, and we have a 148 extended transit here, Avalanche Gray, beautiful van. Has a couple new things I wanted to show you guys. This is the new 65 quart sized fridge for the Kitchen Pod FF. We also are doing an 85. They get wider, they get deeper into the cabin, so they do take up some more space. This is about 2.5 inches wider than the 50-liter fridge. Add another inch for the 85, and where the 65 has this really nice additional storage drawer, and then it also has bracketry to have a rich light countertop sitting at the top of this, so you have an extended counter. If you go to the 85, that drawer disappears and the fridge comes higher and also 1 inch wider. But for folks that want a larger fridge, we can accommodate that now. Same pull-out sprayer faucet that can mount down here on the side, allows you to do dishes and clean up out here. We often use the Dometic fridges with the removable freezer, but we also use the Isotherm series of fridges, the Cruise Elegance, in all those three sizes as well. Hi folks, Hans here from Trail Concepts, and just wanted to show you our new lighting schema for all our full builds. This is a 148 Transit extended, so the longer van, and therefore we have two overhead light controls. So you have a rear, you have a front that you can dim individually, and then we have a third zone, which is the indirect ambient lighting that lights the inside of the cabinets and also indirect light into the cabin. You also get some indirect lighting into the Murphy bed if you're up there and hanging out with the bed down.